So this is the home security kit. This is the piece that's going to go in your house. It's going to alert you. And then this is the piece that's a sensor for outdoors that's going to pick up anyone coming through. It comes with nice little pieces to install it, a few screws and extra pieces so you can set that up. You also have a wonderful instruction booklet with this, and it's going to give you all the details on setting the device up. So we're going to go do that, and then we'll write the review about how well it works.